Are you tired of feeling like no matter what you do, financial freedom just seems out of reach? You're not alone. Many of us are stuck in habits that unknowingly undermine our financial health. From ignoring our credit scores to making impulse purchases that drain our wallets. Imagine a 2024 where you're not just surviving, but thriving financially, where every decision you make contributes to building your wealth. We've pinpointed 7 crucial habits you need to stop right now to unlock that reality. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these habits and show you practical ways to eliminate them from your life. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start making smarter financial choices that pave the way to your wealth in 2024. Let's get started. Number 1. Stop ignoring your financial education. Stop ignoring your financial education. It's easy to overlook the importance of financial literacy, especially if managing money seems like a natural part of life. However, understanding the fundamentals of finance is not just about keeping your bank account in the green. It's about maximizing your potential to grow wealth over time. Financial education equips you with the tools to make informed decisions, understand market trends, and navigate complex financial products. This knowledge can be the difference between making a wise investment and falling into a costly trap. Moreover, a solid grasp of financial principles can help you plan for retirement, avoid excessive debt, and ensure your financial stability in uncertain times. So where do you start? There are numerous resources available for anyone looking to enhance their financial understanding. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey provide foundational insights into wealth building and debt management. Online platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy offer courses on everything from basic economics to advanced investing, often for free or at a low cost. Podcasts such as The Dave Ramsey Show or So Money with Farnoosh Torabi can also be invaluable, offering advice on a wide range of topics in an accessible format. By dedicating time to your financial education, you're not just learning how to manage money, you're learning how to make money work for you. Remember, in the world of personal finance, ignorance is not bliss, it's expensive. Start educating yourself today and watch how your financial landscape transforms. Number 2, quit relying solely on a single income stream. We urge you to quit relying solely on a single income stream. In today's volatile economic environment, depending exclusively on one source of income is akin to walking a tightrope without a safety net. Economic downturns, industry shifts, or unexpected layoffs can jeopardize your sole income source, leading to financial instability. Diversifying your income streams can cushion you against these uncertainties. It not only reduces risk but also opens up more opportunities for wealth accumulation. Imagine having multiple smaller streams feeding into your financial pool, each one contributing to a more robust and secure financial foundation. Now let's talk about passive income. Money you earn with little to ongoing effort after the initial setup. Some popular forms of passive income include rental properties, dividend stocks, and creating digital products. For example, investing in a rental property can provide a steady monthly income derived from tenants. Similarly, dividend stocks pay out a portion of a company's profits to shareholders, offering a regular income without the need to sell your shares. Another avenue is creating online courses or ebooks based on your expertise. Once created, these resources can be sold repeatedly without much additional work, generating ongoing income. Even affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products, can be a lucrative stream. By building multiple income streams, you not only protect yourself financially, but also enhance your potential to achieve financial freedom sooner. Start exploring these possibilities today and watch your financial health improve exponentially. Number 3, stop making impulse purchases. Impulse buying isn't just about splurging on the occasional luxury item. It's a habit that can seriously undermine your financial health. When you make spontaneous purchases, you often spend money that could have been invested in your future. Over time, these unplanned expenditures can add up, diverting funds away from important financial goals, like saving for retirement or paying down debt. The impact of impulse buying extends beyond the immediate financial hit. It can lead to a cluttered lifestyle, unnecessary stress, and even regret, further detracting from your overall quality of life and financial stability. To curb this habit, start by understanding your triggers. Do you tend to buy on a whim when you're feeling emotional, or when a clever advertisement catches your eye? Recognizing these triggers is the first step in gaining control. Here are some practical tips to help manage your spending. Wait it out. Implement a 48-hour rule for all non-essential purchases. Give yourself 2 days to consider if you really need the item. Often the urge to buy will pass. Unsubscribe. Reduce temptation by unsubscribing from marketing emails and unfollowing brands on social media that lure you into spending. Budget for treats. Allocate a specific amount in your budget for personal indulgences. This way you can enjoy guilt-free spending without harming your financial goals. Use cash. When possible, use cash for purchases. It's harder to part with physical money than to swipe a card, making you more mindful of the expense. By implementing these strategies, you can take significant strides toward better financial health and move closer to your wealth-building goals. Number 4. Avoid neglecting investments due to fear. Fear of losing money is a significant barrier that keeps many from investing. This fear often stems from common misconceptions, such as the idea that all investing is high risk or that you need a large sum of money to start. However, letting these fears hold you back can mean missing out on powerful opportunities for financial growth. One way to mitigate these fears is through education. Understanding different types of investments and how they work can demystify the process and reduce anxiety. For example, while stocks may be volatile, bonds can offer more stability. Real estate provides tangible assets, and mutual funds allow diversification even within smaller investments. For beginners, starting small is an excellent way to ease into investing. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many online platforms and apps now allow you to invest with as little as $50, and they can automate investments for you in diversified portfolios that match your risk tolerance and financial goals. Moreover, consider taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, like 401ks, which often come with matching contributions. This is essentially free money, and it's an investment in your future. Additionally, continuously educate yourself about the markets and investment strategies through books, online courses, and reputable financial news sources. By starting small and educating yourself, you can build confidence in your investment decisions and gradually expand your portfolio over time. This proactive approach not only combats fear, but also enhances your potential for financial independence. Number 5. Cease overlooking your credit score. Many underestimate the pivotal role a credit score plays in financial health. It's not just a number, it's a metric that lenders use to evaluate your credit worthiness. A strong credit score can unlock numerous financial opportunities, including lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, higher chances of loan approval, and even better terms on insurance policies and rental agreements. Improving and maintaining a good credit score can seem daunting, but it's quite manageable with the right approach. First, ensure that you pay all your bills on time. Payment history is the most significant factor affecting your credit score, accounting for 35% of it. Setting up automatic payments can help you stay on top of this. Second, keep your credit utilization low. This is the ratio of your current revolving credit, i.e., credit card balances, to your total available credit. Experts recommend using less than 30% of your total credit limit to appear responsible and not overly dependent on credit. Third, regularly monitor your credit report for errors. You can obtain a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year through annualcreditreport.com. Scrutinize these reports for any inaccuracies or fraudulent activities and dispute them promptly to ensure your credit report reflects your true financial behavior. Lastly, avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once. This can lower your average account age, which can negatively impact your score. Instead, focus on nurturing your existing accounts to show stability and responsibility. By actively managing these aspects, you can significantly improve your credit score, thus enhancing your financial leverage and opportunities. Number 6. Stop waiting to start saving. Many people delay saving either because they think they don't have enough money to set aside, or they believe it can always be done later. However, the truth is that the earlier you start saving, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Compound interest is the interest earned on your savings, as well as on past interest added to your savings. This can exponentially grow your wealth over time. essentially making money while you sleep. To start taking advantage of this, you don't need a large sum of money. Here are some straightforward methods to begin saving. No matter your financial situation, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. Even small amounts like $10 or $20 per paycheck can build up quickly. Save loose change. Collect spare change and deposit it into a savings account regularly. This old-fashioned method surprisingly adds up. Use high-yield savings accounts. Instead of traditional savings accounts, opt for high-yield accounts that offer better interest rates. This choice will increase the speed of your savings growth. Implement a 50-30-20 budget rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and at least 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjusting your budget this way can help you prioritize saving. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenses and cut down on non-essentials. Redirecting even a small portion of this money to your savings can have a significant impact over time. By implementing these strategies, you start leveraging time, allowing your money to grow through the power of compound interest. Don't wait, start saving now and set the foundation for a secure financial future. Number 7. Avoid being complacent with financial goals. Setting financial goals is not just about stating what you want to achieve. It's about continuously engaging with these goals to ensure they reflect your current circumstances and future aspirations. Complacency can lead to stagnation in your financial growth, preventing you from maximizing your potential wealth. To effectively set financial goals, start by defining clear, measurable objectives. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, funding your retirement, or paying off debt, each goal should be specific and have a set timeline. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to guide your goal-setting process. Regularly reviewing your goals is crucial. Life changes, such as a new job, an unexpected expense, or even a global economic shift, can impact your financial landscape significantly. Schedule a regular review, perhaps quarterly or biannually, to assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. This might mean increasing your savings rate to meet a goal sooner or adjusting your investment strategy based on market conditions. Additionally, leverage tools and resources that can help monitor your goals. Many financial apps provide real-time tracking of your spending, savings, and investment, making it easier to see where you stand in relation to your objectives. This can motivate you to stay on course and make adjustments as needed. By actively managing your financial goals and adapting them to your changing needs, you ensure that your financial planning remains dynamic and aligned with your long-term objectives, thereby fostering sustained growth and stability. Implement these changes to maximize your wealth potential. Start today and transform these insights into action for a richer tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Dive deeper into managing your finances by checking out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated with all our latest content. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.